Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making fruit chaat. Fruit chaat is a spicy, tangy, Pakistani and Indian version of a fruit salad. Popular during the month of Ramadan, it is a perfect way to get a variety of fruits into your system after a day of fasting. You can use any fruits of your choice, but today I'm using what I have at home. I'm going to be using 2 small guavas, 1 large orange, 1 apple, arils of 1 pomegranate, 1½ cups of seedless grapes, 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 pear, and about half a cup of cooked chickpeas. Adding chickpeas will add some protein to the salad, but this is optional. For the spices, we will need half a teaspoon each of red chili powder, black pepper, and salt, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can increase or decrease the amount of these 5 ingredients according to your taste. And besides all these ingredients, we will need half a cup of orange juice. We will cut all the fruit in the same size, either into bite-sized pieces or in a fine dice. I peeled, cored, and then diced the apple. I'm using red seedless grapes, but if you have grapes that have seeds in it, do take the seeds out. I'm also using guavas, but if you don't like guavas, then you can use any seasonal fruits like peaches, strawberries, kiwi. They all go very well in the chaat. I'm not going to peel the pear, but if you want, you can peel it, core it, and then dice it. Last thing we have to do now is take the arils out of the pomegranate. Now we will add all the prepared fruit into a large mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Instead of the lemon juice, you can add lime juice, and if you're adding lime juice, do add the zest. That gives it a really nice flavor. Now it's time to add the spices and the sugar. Mix the fruit with the spices and then add half a cup of orange juice. You can use pineapple juice if you wish. That also gives it a very good taste. At the end, we will mix all the fruits thoroughly and then leave it in the fridge for about half an hour to 45 minutes. That will give the fruit, the juices and the spices time to melt into each other and become a very tasty fruit chaat. And there you have it. Our fruit chaat is ready to be enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. By pressing the bell icon, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!